Hi, it's December 10th, it's about 9 o'clock, and we're expecting the storm of the century, 21st century that is, likened to the Halloween 1991 storm, which dumped something like 36 inches on the Twin Cities. As you can see here, we have a little bit of snow left over from our previous snowfalls, but we're still waiting for the first flakes to fall from this killer storm that's predicted, maybe up to 2 feet and drifts up to 5 feet. So we'll see. We're going to do a kind of a log as this goes. Tomorrow morning we'll do something, and then throughout the day tomorrow, and chronicle this storm of the 21st century right here at this site. So check back soon. We'll see you then. Good morning, everyone. It's 11 o'clock, and we've had a bit of snow overnight. I'm going to go out, step out into this, which I think this qualifies as a blizzard. You can see my feet. So last night when we were here, there wasn't anything here. I'd say that's a good foot. So there you go. So 11 o'clock, about 13 hours later, we've had a bit of snow overnight, and happy December. So we'll check in a little bit later to see if we got a little bit more. We'll check the radar, and stay tuned here for more details. Bye.